हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल डीजर वाई टेक अनबॉक्सिंग ब्लॉग के अनदर वीडियो में। फ्रेंड्स, टुडे आई ब्रॉट चाइनीज फ्रॉम अगेन हाउस ऑफ मंडारिन। दिस इज different fried rice. Actually its name is sandy rice. It has a different style of gravy. You can see the gravy how thick is. It has noodles in it. Okay, and this is Szechuan sauce. Okay, again Szechuan, and this is sandy rice. Okay, this is sandy rice, and this is gravy. This is gravy of sandy rice. Okay, so I'll tell you in while when I try. It cost me $2.30 for this sandy rice. I don't know how it is, but maybe it's good. It's different. When I tried chopper rice from house of Mandarin, so it was a good experience with the Mandarin, and now I will tell you how it is taste.
My guys know that we fly, know that they ride or die. Why they wanna move like that?